Meteor, snakes, and throws. Oh my, that's right, it's advanced combo time. Drex here from Drex Factor Poi, bringing you the love of poi spinning and flow arts to benefit your body and brain. And today I am taking you through an advanced poi combo based upon something that I did in my Capital Flow video from a few weeks ago. Before we dive in, I just want to give a quick shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flow Fests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, LMF Props, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. So this is the final part of that three-part series that I'm doing, breaking down some of the combos that I was doing in my Capital Flow video. This is most definitely an advanced combo. It is going to take us through some meteor techniques as well as some body tracers and everything. And it's going to bring back a little bit of that dancey stuff that we were doing the first week, but not so much the second week. So the tricks that you're going to need to get down this combo include, you're going to need to know how to do the one-handed Mercedes, as well as have a grasp on how to do in-spin throws. We're going to go through the technicalities of that in this video, but knowing the basics is going to be an extremely big help. You're also going to want to know how to do caps in wheel and wall plane and everything. Plus which you are also going to want to know how to do vertical snakes. I will go ahead and leave links to tutorials on all these different tricks down in the description as well as up in the cards if you happen to be watching this video on YouTube. First, I'll show you the combo and then I'll take you through it piece by piece before showing it to you again in slow motion. Oh goodness, what have we gotten ourselves into here? Well, we're going to go ahead and start this off by doing the one-handed Mercedes, which of course comes from a meteor butterfly kind of place and everything. And we're going to do 3 of these. We're going to go through the top once, twice, and on the third time, boom, rather than going over to the bottom left like we're going to switch into that split opposites bit across the bottom and everything, we are instead going to come straight down and keep the timing of the poi in together opposites. That's because when we reach the bottom, you're going to release the poi on your pinky end and let it do a quick in-spin toss, right? This can be kind of tricky in context. Sometimes I get the location right, sometimes I don't. To be honest with you, I would start off practicing this just in together opposites and releasing the poi as such until that gets to feel nice and comfortable. And once it does, go ahead and work with the one-handed Mercedes and try and see if you can make that little bump off the bottom happen and to catch it cleanly every time. Bear in mind, I don't always catch it cleanly, so do your best here. Either which way, off of that third time, when you go down and you make the toss, you're going to wind up in a place where the 2 poi are spinning in opposite directions, which is exactly what you want them to be. You're going to take a wheel plane cap up and over all the way to a wheel plane cap on the other side. Of course, this is going to be with your hands together and everything. Think of it as being that you're basically doing a 4-pedal anti-spin versus extension, going back and forth across your body each way, right? As you're doing that, I want you to notice that on the sides here, you're going back and forth between split time opposites, and at the top, you're in together opposites. That's going to be important because we're going to use that top as a transition point. So think that you're going to go over to the left, over to the right, and as you go over to the left once again, we're going to take that top point. This is going to be the point at which you separate out your arms with the poi in together opposites, and you're going to turn your body to turn that into a vertical snake. So think that you're doing the bit where the poi come up through your armpits when you're faced away from the camera, and the bit where they're coming down in anti-spin when you are faced towards the camera. Go ahead and do a couple turns in place as you're doing this and everything, and then you're going to come down and stall the poi, and you're going to do a nice little kind of step behind with your left foot in order to cap it off and everything, right? So it's really not a very long combo. We're just doing a lot of transitions back and forth very, very quickly. So from the top, we go ahead and take our one-handed Mercedes around once, twice. On the third time, boom, we get a toss in. We go to that wall plane cap before switching into our vertical snakes. We come around and do the stall, boom, and step behind to finish it off. Let's see that again in slow motion. Goodness. So, if you are down to take the plunge, and I hope you are, please post a video of yourself doing this combo to Instagram and use the hashtag DrexFactorPoi so I can see your hard work. If you'd like other people to see your hard work, go ahead and post that video to your stories and tag me. I am at DrexFactor on Instagram. I will go ahead and repost your video to my own stories so that all of my followers can see your hard work. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so that other people can find this video. And of course, a huge thank you, because this video would not be possible without the kind contributions of these amazing people right here. These are my Flow patrons over on Patreon, and they, along with the other awesome supporters listed down in the description, make this video and all the videos on this channel possible. If you would like to sign up to support the work that I do, which I would really appreciate, but no pressure there, you can do so by heading on over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and signing up. You can get early access to all of my content, as well as a say in what topics I tackle in the future. Plus, there is some great behind the scenes and extra stuff that gets posted there, so you should go check that out. Please and thank you. Awesome, so here we are at the end of this experiment. What did you all think of this? Did you like having combos that went up in difficulty level every week that were based upon something that you'd seen me do? Do you like this whole thing of me taking little bits and pieces out of my Flow videos and teaching you the combos that made them possible and everything? Do you like learning how to dance like Drex? Let me know down in the comments, and let me know what kinds of combos you'd like to see in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and have yourselves a good one. Peace.